Yay! Hey, partner. Can you solve my farm problem?
You are a farmer. It is time to harvest your crops.
First, you pick the corn, my partner.
You get 38 ears of corn. Now it's time to pick the pumpkin.
You pick 24 pumpkins.
Now it's time to pick the apples.
You pick 12 apples.
It's time to put it into bags. Each bag holds 10.
How many bags do you need for your corn and how much corn is going to be left over? How many bags do you need for the pumpkins, for 24 pumpkins, and how many pumpkins will be left over?
How many bags do you need for the apples? And how many will be left over?
Use objects or pictures or numbers to figure out the answer to this problem. Remember, each bag can only hold 10, and there is more than one way to solve this problem. Pause the video here while you figure it out. There are 38 ears of corn. That means you can make 3 bags of 10 and you'll have 8 ears of corn left over. You could put those 8 ears of corn into a bag, but it wouldn't be full. There'd only be 8 ears of corn in it and it can hold 10. There is room for 2 more ears of corn because 8 plus 2 is 10. Now for the pumpkins. There are enough pumpkins to fill 2 bags with 4 left over. You could put the 4 leftover pumpkins into a bag, but the bag would not be full. Pause the video here and talk about how much room is left in the bag. Since every bag can hold 10, there is room for 6 more pumpkins because 4 and 6 make 10. There are 12 apples. You can fill up 1 bag with 10 apples and you will have 2 left over. You could put those 2 leftover apples in a bag, but remember every bag holds 10, so it won't be full. Pause the video here and decide how much more room is in the bag. There is room in the bag for 8 more apples because 2 and 8 is the same as 10. Now think about this. If you have 2 leftover apples and 4 leftover pumpkins and 8 leftover ears of corn, can you make a bag with your leftovers? Pause the video and figure it out. Yes, you can. With what you have left, you can make another bag of 10 with 4 left over. Now think about this. How much have you collected all together if you counted all of the corn and all of the pumpkins and all of the apples? How much do you have? Pause the video and think about it. With your harvest, you've collected 7 bags that have 10 in them and 1 leftover group of 4. How much is that? Pause the video and think about it. That's 74 apples, pumpkin, and corn all together. Wow, what a great harvest! You load up your harvest in the truck and take it to the store. Good job, farmer!